See that? Modulus amplitude form or polar form. Let Z is equal to X plus Iy be a complex number. The complex number can be converted in the form of R into cos theta plus I sin. It's called polar form or mod amplitude form. How to find out R and how to find out theta? These things already we know very well. R is equal to mod Z under root x square plus y square. Theta is equal to tan inverse mod y by x. And observe the complex number where it is lies, either first quadrant, second quadrant, third or fourth quadrant. How to find out theta values already you know very well. Once again I'm explaining. In first quadrant means theta, second quadrant means pi minus theta, fourth quadrant minus theta, third quadrant minus pi plus theta. So remember at this table, so you will get very easily amplitude of a complex number. Okay, here theta is called principal amplitude of a complex number. Theta is called principal amplitude of a complex number. Okay, right. Now go for next concept, that is Euler's form of a complex number. Euler's form of a complex number. So what is the Euler's form of a complex number means? Now listen, let Z complex number they will give, convert into polar form, that is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, now cos theta plus I sin theta we can write e power I theta. E power I theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta, I sin theta. This is Euler's form of a complex number. Okay, now finally e power I theta is equal to, we are writing cos theta plus I sin theta. This is, we can write another form, that is cis theta. Now e power minus I theta. E power minus I theta is equal to, we can write cos theta minus I sin theta. That is cis minus theta. Now these two equations, now I am going to add e power I theta plus e power minus I theta. Adding these two equations means what we get, I sin theta is going to cancel, we get 2 cos theta. So finally, what is cos theta here? cos theta is equal to e power I theta plus e power minus I theta by 2. Okay. So this is, I am going to write another form, that is cos x. Cos x is equal to, how to write, e power ix plus e power minus ix divided by 2. You know that hyperbolic functions, in that hyperbolic functions formula is cos h of ix. Okay. If both we are subtracting, means what we get, e power I theta minus e power minus I theta. That is, we get cos theta cancel, I sin theta plus I sin theta. We get 2I sin theta. In this case, I am writing I sin theta, that is equal to e power I theta minus e power minus I theta divided by 2. This is e power I sin theta value. Now this is, I am writing another form, I sin x. That means in place of theta, I am replacing x. So what we get, e power ix minus e power minus ix divided by 2. This is hyperbolic function formula, that is sin h of ix. Sin h of x. Now these two equations divide. What happens? See, for suppose tan ix. So this is a I tan x. Second one divided by first one. What we get? Tan h of ix. Sin h of ix, cos h of ix. Now we got tan h of x. Now see that same like that. Cot h of x. Cot h of x. Ix. That means first one divided by second one. Cos by sin, cot. Here we get 1 by I cot x. What is 1 by I value? 1 by I, that is equal to 1, means we can write minus I square or not, divided by, that value is minus I. Now in place of that 1 by I, write minus I. Finally, minus I is equal to minus I cot x is equal to cot h of ix. Sin h of ix, cos h of ix, tan h of ix, and cot h of ix. Now, what is secant h of ix? Secant means reciprocal of cot only. Now, secant x, that is secant h of ix. Now, sin h of ix is, write the reciprocal, we get cosecant h of ix. Okay. Now, here also I sin x, write the reciprocal, you will get 1 by I into cosecant x. So that 1 by I value, that is minus I cosec, sorry, okay, minus I cosecant x, that is equal to cosecant h of ix. This is okay. Now here we can learn some more formulas. What is that means? Now in place of x, replace xi. Then what happens? See, first I am going to First, I am going to cos x. In place of x, replace ix. Cos ix. That is equal to cos h of I into ix. I square. That is minus x. Cos h of minus x is cos hx. So cos of ix formula is cos h of x. Next, I sin x. Observe that I sin of ix. What we are getting here? Sin h of ix is there. Ix is there. In place of x, substitute ix. I into I square. Here you will get minus x. Sin h of minus x is minus sin hx. Minus means we know that is I square. I square value minus or not. Now finally observe that both the sides I is going to cancel. We get the formula, that is sin of ix is equal to I sin h of x. This. Similarly, go for tan, cot, secant, cosecant also. Okay. Now I am going to finally only tan. Only tan. See here, I tan x is I tan x. In place of x, substitute ix. What we get? Tan h of ix is there. Substitute in place of ix, I into I square. This is minus tan h of x. Minus means we can write I square. I square tan h of x. Now finally, what is the formula? I is going to cancel. I is going to cancel. So remaining is we get tan ix is equal to I tan hx. I tan hx. This is another formula. Okay. Please copy this. Continuation concept. Next concept. So listen carefully. For suppose the number is 1, 1. 1, how to write complex number? 1 plus I into 0. Now this is converting to polar form. 1 means cos 0 degrees or cos 2 pi also we can write. Now I am writing cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. This is converted into Euler's form, that is e power I 2 pi. Okay. Now minus 1. Minus 1 means how to write? Minus 1 plus I into 0. Now cos value when it is negative at 180 degrees. Cos pi plus I sin pi. What is cos pi plus I sin pi? Convert into Euler's form. You will get e power I pi. Next, I purely imaginary part, that is 0 plus I into 1. So 1 when it is possible in terms of sine, 90 degrees or not. Take that both angles are same. Cos 90 plus I sin 90. That value is e power I pi by 2. Okay. Now how to write minus I? Please write yourself. Minus I is equal to 0 plus I into minus 1. Minus 1 when it is possible. Sine 270 degrees is minus 1. But we can't take 270 because the principal value of amplitude is lies between minus pi to pi only. That's why take sine minus 90. Sine minus 90 minus 1 or that. So cos minus pi by 2 plus I sine minus pi by 2. So this is we can write e power minus I pi by 2. This is the method to convert into Euler's form. Next, general form of a complex number. General form of a complex number. General form of a complex number. Now, how to write general form of a complex number? This is Z is equal to, take one complex number, Z is equal to x plus iy. This is we are converting in the form of polar r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is a polar form actually. How to convert general form of a complex number? This is Z is equal to r into cis 2k pi plus theta, where k belongs to integer. This thing already you know that. General form of amplitude 2k pi plus theta. Now just in place of theta I am written that r is theta now. So in place of theta I am written 2k pi plus theta. This is general form of a complex number. Okay. Now these are the formulas. Properties. Augment of z power n, that is n into augment of z plus 2k pi, where k belongs to, that is minus 1 0 1. Augment of z power n is equal to n into augment of z plus 2k pi. Next, for suppose z1 is equal to r cis theta 1, z2 is equal to r, this is r1 cis theta 1, r2 cis theta 2. Then how to find mod z1 plus z2 whole square? So this is the formula, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 cis theta 1 minus theta 2. This is the formula. Mod z1 minus z2 whole square, that is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus 2r1 r2 cis theta 1 minus theta 2. is no need. Just remember it formulas. Now add both Z1 plus Z2 whole square plus Z1 minus Z2 whole square. So what do we get? 2R1 R2 cos theta minus 1 theta 2. Those is going to cancel. Remaining is 2 times of R1 square plus R2 square. Now, if we are subtracted both Z1 plus Z2 whole square minus Z1 minus Z2 whole square, that means we get 4 R1 R2 cis theta 1 minus theta 2. These are the properties of general mod amplitude form. Okay, who are completed this? Got the problem? Now see the question, what they are given. The principal amplitude of 2 minus I into 1 minus 2I whole square is in the interval. That is the question. Now, how to do that? First, we want to simplify the complex number. After that, identify the complex number where it is lies, either first quadrant, second quadrant, like that. Now let Z, what is that? 2 minus I into 1 minus 2I whole square. Expand that, A square plus B square. There I square will come, you will get negative, minus 4I. Now 2 minus I into, this is minus 3 minus 4I. Okay, now multiply both, minus 6 minus 8I minus into minus plus 3I minus into minus plus I into I square, that value is negative. So finally, what we are getting, see, that is minus 10 minus 5I. So this is, we can represent as a point minus 10 comma minus 5. This is which quadrant? It belongs to third quadrant or not? Now, in third quadrant, what we have to take angle? See once again. So the principle of amplitude is lies between 0 to pi and 0 to minus pi also. Finally, this is theta belongs to open interval minus pi comma minus pi by 2. Sorry, minus pi to plus pi. Plus pi closed. Now, in clockwise direction means this is minus 90. This is minus pi. So, in third quadrant means, what is the answer now? Answer is minus pi 2. Minus pi by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Please copy this. Go for next question. Read the question clearly. What they are given. This is previous question answer. Minus pi 2, minus pi by 2. So I will write here. Answer is minus pi comma minus pi by 2. mod Z1 is equal to mod Z2 and augment of Z1 plus augment of Z2 is equal to pi by 2. Use that concept. Augment of Z1 plus augment of Z2, that is equal to pi by 2. Now use the formula augment of Z1 Z2, that is equal to pi by 2. Already we know the concept. The augment of value 90 degrees means where it is lies? It is lies in positive y-axis. So here x value 0 and y value greater than 0 means augment of Z1 Z2 value 90 degrees. So that means it is lies in positive y-axis. Y-axis means real axis or not? If it is real axis, the complex number is purely, sorry, y-axis means imaginary axis. Okay, so on y-axis x coordinate 0. So we will say finally the complex number is purely imaginary. So Z1 Z2 is purely imaginary because x coordinates 0. That's why only y terms are there. Y is imaginary part or not? So finally correct answer is second option. This is what they are given. Pi by 3 and pi by 4 are augments of Z1 and Z2 conjugate. Then the value of augment of Z1 and Z1 Z2. That is the question. Now first write the given things. What they are given here. Augment of Z1. How much? Pi by 3. And augment of Z2 conjugate, that is pi by 4. Then what is augment of Z2? That is minus pi by 4. Yes or no? Now we need to find augment of Z1, Z2. What is the formula of this? Augment of Z1 plus augment of Z2. Both substitute pi by 3 minus pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 12.